Are you getting to see him, buddy?
There we go. Now I can see ya.
Can you see him? Look,
See,
you
we're
have
watching the
perfect
fireworks.
view. Wyatt.
Turn off the light, Tori.
What light?
You have the light on the camera.
I know. I can't see him if I don't.
Oh. No, I was wondering why you had it on.
Are you watching the fireworks? Yeah? Is that cool? So maybe thinking about it.
Can you see him?
Yeah. To the fireworks. Wow.
I don't know too much about those. Those are really low. I wouldn't want to be there. They don't have anybody down there. What if they had like a fuse to lead to them or something? Or if they got them, but they got them sitting off
I know,
on
but
the
I
boat.
can't get them all back there because they're going up too high. And the thing keeps getting in my way. I don't want to get in his way either, though. Am I in his way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's